Today we're going to work on multiplying polynomials, but before we can do that, learning your exponent rules is super important, or even just remembering those. We'll be focusing on the product rule today, so please make sure you have that written down, you take these notes. But the biggest thing to remember is that whatever the exponents are, if they have the same base, right, this only works if they are the same bases, then you can add the exponents. Go ahead and pause the video so you can take these notes. And now we'll do an example. So same thing, we're just distributing it like we normally do, but we see that this is an exponent of 1 and this is an exponent of 1. So this becomes x, 1 plus 1, which then becomes x squared. We distribute this into the second one, plus 4x, and it just stays as 4x because there's nothing more that we can simplify. So simple enough, however, it gets a little tricky when we start to add in numbers that aren't just 1 to the exponent. So we're distributing this whole thing. What we want to do is multiply our coefficients, so positive 15, and then we have our m cubed and m squared, which makes this an m cubed plus squared. If we were to simplify this, we get 15m to the 5th power, right? When we're multiplying our variables with the same base, we add the exponents. Let's distribute this again. We take the coefficients, we have a 5 and a negative 1, which makes it a negative 5. Then we have our m cubed and m to the 1st power. So we have m cubed plus 1. If we simplify this, it becomes negative 5m to the 4th. Distribute again, so the last term, right? You want to make sure you get everything in the parentheses. Multiply our coefficients. In this case, there we have a coefficient and a constant. So we get negative 35. And then m, well, there's no variable here, so it just gets tacked on. There's nothing to simplify there, so we bring it down. The nice part is it'll often be in standard form like this one's set up, and we'll be able to continue to multiply from there.